In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Lucidchart step by step so you can get into the workspace fast and start building diagrams without confusion. Whether you want to create a flowchart, an org chart, a wireframe, or just open an existing file, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any modern browser you already have installed. In the address bar, type lucid.app or www.lucidchart.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Lucidchart website. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second to fully appear before moving on. Once the website loads, look for the Log In button in the top right corner. If you already have a Lucidchart account, click Log In and enter your email and password. You may also see single sign-on options like Google, Microsoft, or Slack. These are useful if your account is connected through one of those services, and they can make the login process much faster. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your school email or personal email. Follow the prompts on the screen, create your account, and complete any verification steps if required. Lucidchart makes it pretty easy to get started, even if you're completely new to the platform. After you log in, you'll land on your Lucidchart dashboard or document home screen. This is your main workspace where you can see your files, recent documents, and any folders you've created. To open Lucidchart and begin a new project, look for the plus new button in the upper left corner of the screen and click it. When you click plus new, Lucidchart will give you a few different starting options. If you want a completely fresh start, choose blank document. This opens a clean canvas where you can build your diagram from scratch. If you want a faster setup, you can choose create from template. This opens the template gallery where you can pick pre-designed layouts for flowcharts, diagrams, org charts, wireframes, and more. You may also see an import option. This is helpful if you already have files from tools like Microsoft Visio, Glyphy, Draw.io, or OmniGraffle. Importing lets you bring existing work into Lucidchart instead of rebuilding everything manually. That can save a lot of time if you're switching from another diagramming tool. Once your document opens, you're officially inside Lucidchart and ready to start creating. You can drag and drop shapes from the left-hand menu onto the canvas, then connect them with lines to build your diagram. If you're making a flowchart, for example, you can add process boxes, decision diamonds, and arrows to map out each step clearly. If you're creating a wireframe or org chart, the same idea applies. Drag in the elements you need and arrange them on the page. If you ever need to go back later, just return to lucid.app or lucidchart.com, log in again, and your files will be right there in your dashboard. That makes it easy to open existing documents, continue editing, or start something new whenever you need it. And that's it. You now know how to open Lucidchart, sign in, access your workspace, and start a new document. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.